You're going to start by selecting home, show paragraph marks and other hidden symbols. That's what you select. So you're going to put a section break in between that separate the cover page from these other parts. So we put section break, as you can see it. So scroll down. Let's first delete these paragraph marks. So you put page breaks in order to prevent other information from going to particular pages if you want your work to be uniform. That's why there are page breaks almost on every page. So we have to put another section break in order to separate the chapters. You as well delete the paragraph marks if they happen to appear in your document. So now after doing that, we are going now on our number link. Let's first go back to the first page. So now you go to home to insert page number, or you can scroll down to the footer section and double click to activate it. Then select page number, then select the position, maybe bottom, center. Then you have to format the numbers to the particular numbering you want. So you may want to start with Roman numerals. Select OK. Even the first page is labeled in natural numbers, so we have to also select the second this page to be in Roman format, number format. Select Roman numerals from I. Yeah, as you can see, though the first page is still having the numbering, but we are going to go back for it. So first scroll down to this other section where you want natural numbers. So chapter 1 is having what we want. So they are rightly labeled, all numbered. So chapter 1 is starting from page 1 as we wanted. So that's our numbering. Even the other pages, so they will follow the order 1, 2, 3 up to the end, because they are linked to, we activated the link to previous. So now we go back to our first page and remove this Roman numeral by highlighting it, and then we select different first page. So the first page or the cover page will not be having a Roman numeral, but will be starting from the second page, but the second page will be labeled as a Roman 1. So because the header and footer section, we will also deactivate the paragraph marks and other hidden symbol section.